When you buy a new Medela breast pump, it's going to come with a medium-sized breast shield that is removable, so that if you need a different size shield, then it's easy to replace it. In the old days, and I mean at least 10, 15, maybe 20 years ago, there were no other size breast shields. There was only the medium size. And so the breast shield was not detachable. And this is what you purchase. This is one piece. It doesn't come apart. Medela still makes this breast shield because if you're using a medium-sized shield, this is actually a more economical buy. And likewise, if you buy the Medela accessory kit, this will have the standard shield in it. So be aware that's what you're buying before you make that purchase. If you don't know the 24mm is going to be a good fit for you, then this may not be a good purchase. If the 24mm is a good fit for you, this is a very good buy. Very economical. Comes with breast shields, bottles, and steam bags, all for an excellent price.